Hi, and welcome to Unprecedented Journey. I'm your host, Jeff Oppenheim. And by now, probably most of us have worked our way through all the food that we stockpiled and binge shopped on and shoved into our houses and apartments. So we've been eating pretty well. Or have we? So I figured right about now would be a perfect time to do an episode on nutrition. I mean, after all, when you have all this time when you're sitting around the house with not much to do, you tend to take more trips to the kitchen than you normally do. So, with our mind already probably thinking about summer not too far away and, bathing suit season. So that's why I decided to ask my friend Lyn Genet to sit down with me and give us a little bit of advice on diet and nutrition. I find her to be one of the most sensible folks out there on this subject, and I'm pretty sure you'll like what she has to say. Well, at least some of it. Lyn will be here, we'll talk to her, and get some advice for practices we could put into place today that will help us tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on the next episode of Unprecedented Journey. I'm Jeff Oppenheim. Please be sure to press subscribe on the YouTube series and send me your comments. Press like, share with friends. I encourage it all. And I'll see you soon. And until then, stay safe and stay well.